Hello and welcome to this video tutorial that will focus on the review of the Budget tab and how to leave comments and lock budget lines. In the Budget tab, comments can be left at the tab level as well as at the budget line level. You can leave a comment at the end of the tab. Write your comment in this box and click on Save Comment. Your comment will be displayed below. You can click on these icons to respectively edit and delete your comment. To reply to a specific comment left at tab level, indicate at the beginning of your comment its reference displayed between brackets below the comment icon. For instance, here to reply to this specific comment previously left by an agency, indicate, at PB2, at the beginning of your comment. You can also leave comments at the budget line level. To do so, click on the comment icon at the beginning of the budget line. Leave your comment in the comment section and click on Save. The comment left against a budget line will be automatically displayed at the end of the tab in the comment section. You can use these icons to respectively edit or delete the comment. An annotation at the beginning of the comment will indicate for which category, and which line the comment was left. For instance, here at A.1 indicates that the comment was left on the first line of the section A staff and other personnel cost. You can click on this annotation to be redirected to the corresponding budget line. You can lock budget lines if you judge that they are correct. As a result, they will be accessible in a read-only mode by the agency. If you wish to lock or unlock all budget lines of the tab, click on Lock All Budget Lines, or Unlock All Budget Lines. If you wish to lock or unlock a specific section, for instance all budget lines of the section A staff and other personnel costs, use these icons. To only lock one budget line, click on this icon. Once the tab is locked, the line will be grayed out and the lock icon at the beginning of the tab will indicate that it is locked. Click on this icon to unlock the budget line. This is the end of our video tutorial on how to review the Budget tab. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any question or comment.